Namaskar friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So guys, this is going to be a short and a crisp video on which we will talk about this recent mineral deal which happened between Ukraine and US, which has divided all the intellectuals in two camps. So what we could see and how we could connect astrology and the planets with it, that is what we will try to understand in a very short and a crisp video. Because guys, even to get a grip on this whole deal and the situation, I watched CBC News, Al Jazeera, this creator from India, Ankit Awasthi, DW. I read some of the blogs of BBC, and that actually made me more confused because people have been divided into two camps. There have been those who are saying this thing that like US in a way has made Ukraine as their colony and they have gained control. Zelensky sold off all of his like natural precious resources, and there have been those who are appreciating this move, that it is going to solidify Ukraine's position in this whole ongoing situation. So how we could see it from astrological point of view, that is what we will try to understand. So guys, let me give you a whole time lapse that what brought us to this situation. So we know this thing that Donald Trump, when he presided over for his this second tenure, and the person who is like has been speculated that who is responsible for bringing Donald Trump's attention to all these rare earth mineral is Elon Musk, because of his interest in the futuristic technology and all. And we know that all the rare earth minerals which are used in the radar, in the missile system, in the night vision goggles, battery, EV cars and all, so we know the importance of that. So immediate after that, when Donald Trump he started imposing tariff, and China faced the fury of it. Now the concern over here is that because China holds a major control over almost 80 to 90% of the rare earth minerals, so they also retaliated to all these tariffs being announced by Donald Trump in this way via choking the export of all these rare earth minerals. Now we know this thing that at the Oval Office, where Donald Trump has a spat with Zelensky. After that, last week only, during the funeral of the Pope Francis over there, Donald Trump was photographed sitting and talking to Zelensky. And finally guys, on Wednesday night, this mineral deal got signed up between US and the Ukraine. Now, like the way guys, I even read the tweets of the Ukraine's deputy prime minister, and over there she highlighted this thing that this is not a debt, and for the first 10 years all of that which we will be mined and all those wealth or the revenue will be used for the reconstruction of the Ukraine. Now guys, if I were to say my findings and I will connect astrology with it, I personally feel that with this move, first of all, Donald Trump has been saying this thing right from the beginning that he will bring peace in this ongoing Russia and the Ukraine situation. The good part is that not only US ended up finding a value of the money which they have given to Ukraine so far in the form of the aid, he also is reinforcing an alternative to China when it comes down to access to all these rare earth mineral. And guys, the good part is that Donald Trump is kind of a person who also shares good rapport with Russia as well. Now Russia is going to have on May 9th, they are going to have that Victory Day celebration. Now it has been speculated that Donald Trump might be invited as a guest. So that is what I'm trying to tell you guys, because what we have known so far, that ultimately it's the money which matters, because obviously ever since Donald Trump got presided over as the President of United States, we have seen that with the change in the leadership, how the foreign policy can take a complete U-turn. Now, no matter there have been those countries who are completely relying, who are the member of the who are the NATO countries, who are relying on the support, aid of US. But Donald Trump actually made them realize that, okay, guys, you have to increase your like defense budget or your contribution to the NATO. Otherwise, don't expect US to come every time for your rescue. But through this deal, that also tells about and give this highlight that now like US is not only in a kind of a moral dilemma to protect and come for safeguarding the interest of Ukraine, but now the money and their investment is also going to be a part of that as well. So yes guys, and the beauty of this whole deal sign up which happened is that it happened very close to the time of the Akshaya Tritiya. And I told you guys, this Akshaya Tritiya was very auspicious, it was very special because during this time not only sun and moon were exalted, but moon was also conjunct with Jupiter as well. And now guys, like just because I was like trying to figure out the exact time, I was not able to get the exact time, and over the internet it has been speculated that the whole deal like sign up happened late on the Wednesday night, early on the Thursday, like morning hours and all. So but even if like moon is going to be in the Taurus or in the Gemini, so whether you will see it from the US's chart point of view, so definitely their 10th house and the 11th house is coming in the influence, even from the Russia's charts point of view as well, being a Virgo rising and all. So even in their case guys, you will see that it is somehow the energy of the 9th and the 10th house as well. So yes guys, I'm sure like person like Donald Trump, who has got a very strong personality, he bring out very extreme opinion, especially among those intellectuals who have already created an impression. But the way I'm looking at this whole situation, obviously astrology, economics and foreign policy is not my forte, but connecting it with the with the planets, with the transit, I even checked in the Prashna Kundli as well. I feel very good that it is going to be a very positive step, like an olive branch towards peace in this Russia-Ukraine front, and the kind of role which like Donald Trump is playing. So yes guys, even in his last tenure as well, he tried his best with bringing peace with like Israel and the Middle Eastern countries and all. And the way he came out and figured out this deal, and the way after like what happened in the Oval Office, and no one was expecting this kind of turnaround of the things. And again guys, if you still feel that in this situation, because some of the news and the portals which I watched, they were leaning more on towards that US has finally ended up taking advantage of Ukraine, but this is not how it looks like, especially if you will read all the tweets of the first deputy prime minister of the Ukraine, if you will read over there. So that's what my understanding is, and more than anything I'm relying more on the planets. So I personally feel, that's my personal observation, finding and all, that it seems to be a very significant positive development. So yes guys, oh my god, I did a night shift and I have to make Rahu transiting over the natal planets with this transit, the weekly horoscope, so much of the work. Whole night I was awake for the night shift, but I just wanted to talk on that. So yes guys, for further more updates and notification on the divine science of Vedic astrology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram account. Dhanyavad.